Dear students, let's start the lesson of tenses and more specifically about future tense. Let us first begin with the definition of a tense. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action. Students, let's look at the following examples. Tom plays with the car. The verb plays tells us about the action that is taking place in the present tense. Sabina sewed a dress for me. The verb sewed denotes past tense. Rita will perform at a function. Will perform tells us about the future tense. Therefore, there are three main types of tenses: the past, present, and the future, which tells us about the time of an action. Further, these are divided into four forms. Number 1, simple. Number 2, continuous. Number 3, perfect. And number 4 is perfect continuous. These show the completeness of time and action. Now, let us learn about future tense in greater detail. So, what is future tense? Future tense indicates the action that will take place in future. For example, I will give a speech in the program. You will sing modern songs in the function. Roma will assist you in that case. These are some examples of future tense. Furthermore, future tense has four forms: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Come on, let's start with the simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to express any future action. The structure of the simple future tense is as follows: subject plus shall or will plus verb plus object. Examples: in affirmative sentences, we say Ravi will write a letter. Whereas in negative sentences, we will say Ravi will not write a letter. And in interrogatives, we will ask a question: will Ravi write a letter? And in negative interrogatives, we will say, will Ravi not write a letter? I want you to think more of such examples and we will discuss in class. Now comes the future continuous tense. It denotes the actions that are going on in future. It is very important as it denotes the actions that are going on, that are in progress in the future. The structure is as follows: subject plus shall or will plus be plus verb ing plus object. You can see some of the examples. I will be studying. See, the work is in progress. Negative, I will not be studying. And interrogative, will I be studying? In future perfect tense is used to indicate the completion of an action in a specific future time. The structure will have V3 plus have with the object. Let us see some of the examples. In affirmative sentences, Samuel will have played football. Now you can see that there is a completion of an action in the near future time. In negative sentences, Samuel will have not played football. In interrogative, you will ask, will Samuel have played football? We are on the last type, that is future perfect continuous tense. It is about the actions that are in progress for a specific time in future. The structure will include have been plus V1 plus ing because it is continuous with the object. For example, he will have been living in Canada. It will have been starting. We will not have been starting. Now you can think of more of the examples of this particular type. Thank you, class. We will have a detailed discussion in the classroom. I hope you'll be ready with your queries and with many more examples that we will discuss.